really looking forward to learning from you all. I'm hoping that you all learn a lot from me, and we have some great conversation, and everyone just gets to enjoy some in-depth discussion about this sport that we all love so much. So we'll be going over the foundations of coaching. What does it mean just to be a good coach in general? Diving deep into technique and the fundamentals of all 4 strokes, underwater swimming, starts and turns. Me personally, technique that's my bread and butter. That's my favorite thing. So I'm really looking forward to that.